My name is Marsida, and I'll be telling you about dyslexia and me. I was born over 30 years ago in Albania, a country in Eastern Europe, in between Italy and Greece. At that time, the system was such that only if you had a severe learning difficulty, it would be picked up. Also, during school years, I was meeting my targets and achieving good results. And in high school, I even won regional competitions in maths and poetry and published 2 books. All of this made it even more difficult to spot my dyslexia. At the end of high school, I moved to the UK to complete my graduate and postgraduate studies while raising a family. It was only when I was well into my teaching career that I noticed I had something in common with my dyslexic learners and sat an assessment. So many of the issues I was facing finally made sense. I may take longer to complete certain tasks and need to check and recheck my work, but I can be quite creative and innovative in my work. I now am a teaching and learning manager for maths and science at Birmingham Adult Education Service, and my employer has supported me, and I'm glad I have disclosed my learning difficulty. Dyslexia hasn't stopped and will never stop me achieve what I want to achieve. In fact, I think dyslexia is my superpower. So what's stopping you?